Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So I'm just going to share to you very simple fixes for this. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator to open the command prompt with administrative rights. Now here in the block window, type sfc space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, then you have to hit enter. So the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair any system corrupted files, check for any integrity violations, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it by clicking on the minimize button right here, button and close the window. And once this is 100% completed, just simply close out of here. Then go to the Windows search bar again, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here you need to type this command dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. So this process will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, again, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it, but do not close the window. And here's a tip. Additional tip, if you are stuck at a certain percentage during the process, just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you. And once the process has been continued or has been successful, then you just need to simply close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. Click on reset PC. But here's a simple reminder. You need to back up everything, all your data, personal files, apps, and settings before you can go on with this process. Click on remove everything. Then click on cloud download and this will reset your PC, and afterwards you need to sign in again into your account, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.